Weekend golf plans.
What are you doing this weekend?
My husband won't be here this weekend. He's spending the weekend with his brother playing golf.
That sounds fun for him. What about you?
I'm just relaxing at home. I might watch some movies.
That sounds like a great plan.
Thanks. It'll be nice to have some quiet time.
Living with parents.
Where are you living right now?
At the moment, I'm living with my parents till I've saved up enough money to move out.
That makes sense. It's smart to save money.
Yeah, but I can't wait to have my own place.
Do you have a goal in mind?
Hopefully in the next 6 months.
Summer school job.
What are you doing for work right now?
I'm teaching in a summer school for a few weeks.
That sounds interesting. Do you like it?
I do. The kids are fun, but it's a lot of work.
Temporary jobs like that can be rewarding.
Absolutely. It's a great experience.
Visiting grandparents.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
We're going to visit our grandparents and we're staying for the weekend.
That sounds lovely. Are they excited to see you?
Yes, they always love having us over.
What will you do while you're there?
Probably relax and enjoy some family meals.
Temporarily out of work.
Are you working these days?
I'm not working at the moment, but I'll get another job soon.
That's good. What kind of job are you looking for?
Something in marketing. I'm updating my resume now.
That's smart. Let me know if you need help.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Dinner time.
Can I talk to you for a second?
I'm having dinner at the moment. Can you call me back later?
Sure, no problem. What time works for you?
Maybe in about an hour.
Perfect. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks, talk soon.
Nap time.
Are you free to help me with something?
Not right now. I'm taking a nap because I'm feeling really tired.
Oh, sorry for disturbing you.
It's okay. Can I help you later?
Of course. Get some rest first.
Thanks. I'll call you when I'm up.
Coffee break.
You look so busy.
I am, but I'm going to take a coffee break for 5 minutes.
Good idea. You deserve a little break.
Thanks. Want to join me?
Sure, let's grab some coffee together.
Great, let's go.
Studying in the library.
Can you stop talking so loudly?
Why? What's the big deal?
Please be quiet. People are studying in the library.
Oh, sorry about that. I didn't realise.
No worries, just keep it down.
Got it. Thanks for letting me know.
John in the shower.
Can I talk to John for a minute?
Sorry, John can't speak with you at the moment. He's having a shower.
Oh, okay. Do you know when he'll be free?
Maybe in about 15 minutes.
All right, I'll call back later.
Perfect. I'll let him know you called.